Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance bots. Start by identifying your goal and risk level, then pick a bot type like grid, DCA, or futures hedging. Connect your Binance API keys securely and set strict risk limits. Always back to settings, use small allocations first, and monitor performance daily. Treat bots as tools, not guarantees, and adjust strategies as markets change to stay in control. Begin by creating API keys on Binance and ensure withdrawals are disabled for security. Choose a bot type, then configure parameters such as grid levels, order size, and stop conditions. Fund the bot with a small test amount and run a short paper or live trial to validate behavior. Monitor logs and trade fills, refine settings, and scale gradually once you confirm consistent results and acceptable drawdowns. Risk control matters more than chasing returns with bots. Always set stop loss or maximum drawdown thresholds and avoid allocating your full balance to a single bot. Spread risk by using different coin pairs and strategy types and lower exposure when volatility spikes. Check performance reports weekly, withdraw profits when appropriate, and keep a manual override ready to pause or adjust bots during unexpected market events.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.